If you're an online entrepreneur or aspiring e-commerce business owner, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore actionable strategies and tactics to help you grow your e-commerce store faster. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your business to the next level, these tips will set you on the path to success. So, let's dive in and unlock the potential of your e-commerce store. Section 1. Optimize your website for conversion. 1. User-friendly design. A user-friendly website design is crucial for driving conversions. 1. Ensure your website has a clean and intuitive layout that guides visitors seamlessly through the buying process. 1. Clear navigation, well-organized product categories, and an aesthetically pleasing design will enhance the user experience. 2. Fast loading speed. Studies have shown that a slow-loading website can significantly impact conversion rates. 2. Optimize your website's loading speed by compressing images, minifying code, and leveraging browser caching. 2. Consider using a content delivery network, CDN, to distribute your content and reduce latency. 3. Compelling product descriptions. Your product descriptions play a vital role in influencing purchasing decisions. 3. Write detailed and persuasive descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of each product. 3. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally to enhance search engine visibility. 4. Streamline checkout process. A complicated or lengthy checkout process can lead to cart abandonment. 4. Simplify the process by minimizing the number of steps required to complete a purchase. 4. Offer guest checkout options and multiple secure payment gateways to accommodate different customer preferences. Section 2. Implement effective digital marketing strategies. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing your website for search engines is crucial for attracting organic traffic. 1. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify high-intent keywords relevant to your products. 1. Optimize your website's meta tags, headings, URLs, and content to improve search engine rankings. 2. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising allows you to target specific keywords and demographics to drive traffic to your e-commerce store. 2. Create compelling ad campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or social media platforms. 2. Continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns to maximize your return on investment, ROI. 3. Content marketing. Content marketing is a powerful strategy for building brand authority and driving organic traffic. 3. Create valuable and informative content such as blog posts, guides, tutorials, or videos that resonate with your target audience. 4. Share this content on your website, social media platforms, and industry-related forums to establish yourself as an industry expert. 4. Social media marketing. Leverage the reach and engagement potential of social media platforms to promote your e-commerce store. 4. Identify the platforms where your target audience is most active and create compelling content tailored to each platform. 5. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments and messages, and run targeted ad campaigns to boost visibility and reach. Section 3. Enhance customer experience and boost retention. 1. Personalization. Deliver personalized experiences to your customers by leveraging data and insights. 1. Use customer segmentation to tailor marketing messages, product recommendations, and promotions based on their preferences and browsing history. 1. Implement personalized email campaigns to re-engage and nurture relationships with customers. 2. Exceptional customer support. Provide outstanding customer support across various channels. 2. Offer live chat support, a responsive email system, and a dedicated customer support phone line. 2. Train your support team to address customer queries promptly and effectively, going the extra mile to exceed their expectations. 3. Loyalty programs. Implement loyalty programs to incentivize repeat purchases and increase customer loyalty. 3. Offer rewards, exclusive discounts, and early access to new products for loyal customers. 3. Encourage customers to refer friends and family to your store by providing referral incentives. 4. Email marketing. Build an email list of interested customers and utilize email marketing to nurture relationships and drive repeat business. Capture email addresses. Implement opt-in forms strategically throughout your website to collect email addresses. Offer incentives such as discounts or exclusive content in exchange for signing up. Segmented email campaigns. Segment your email list based on customer behavior, preferences, or purchase history. Send targeted and personalized email campaigns that resonate with each segment, offering relevant product recommendations, exclusive offers, and valuable content. Abandoned cart recovery. Set up automated emails to remind customers who have abandoned their carts to complete their purchase. Include a compelling call to action and offer incentives to encourage them to return and finalize their transaction. Newsletters and updates. Send regular newsletters to your email subscribers, keeping them informed about new product launches, upcoming promotions, and relevant industry news. Provide value through educational content, customer success stories, or tips and tricks related to your products. Conclusion. Growing your e-commerce store faster requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses optimizing your website for conversion, implementing effective digital marketing strategies, and enhancing customer experience and retention. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can set your e-commerce store on the path to success. Remember, growth takes time and effort, so be patient, monitor your progress, and adapt your strategies as needed. Here's to the success of your e-commerce store and a prosperous future.